radiator. There's really no easy way. I just use a pair of forceps, and it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. And you just kind of tease the fins. Try to get a little closer. Hard to do when you're filming. You just kind of open them up. The ones you can save. Just kind of straighten them out. Let's see if I can get a better angle. Like I said, no fast way to do this. Takes a lot of patience. But this really does help with the cooling efficiency of your radiator. Also works better when it's not plugged with mud too. And why Can Am decided to make their XMR edition Maverick have their radiator right here, the same's on their quads too, the Renegades, is beyond me. Doesn't make any sense. So I have to come up with something, either make it easier to remove that grill. I really don't want to do a rad relocate. I just don't like the way they look. Kind of like that. Give you the idea. Takes a lot of patience, a little dexterity. Just got to be gentle. It might help that I'm a surgical nurse too, for my day job. Just get in there and save as many as you can. Again, this is not easy to film. And do at the same time. This one's like real bad, so you can get in there and open it up. On my Renegade, when I took my rad out to do the relocate, a lot of fins were bad, and I did front and back almost the whole rad. It took me hours, but if you have patience and time, it can be done. Just like so. Trying to do this while looking at it through the camera. So, I don't know. Fix some of them. I'm going to try to get them all. I'll do an after once I'm done. This is the after I spent about 45 minutes plucking out and straightening out as many fins as I could. That pressure washer really does, when you hit it at an angle, really does tear up your fins. It's as good as I can get those. Those are just not coming straight. Could probably spend another 2 hours getting them all perfect, but I did get most of them opened up. The ones that were really bad, when they're mashed over to the side like that, they don't let any air flow in. At least now they're letting some air in, but it just takes a lot of time and patience.